Hey friends, this is Atif Hope here. Well and welcome to the new update on pundix token. Today pundix was just about to start a very massive move, but suddenly it is rejected by two major resistance levels. And in today's video, I want to show you how the price line can start a massive move after breaking out those two very important major key resistance levels. And before starting the analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel so far, then do subscribe it. And you can also support me at the Patreon for more ideas. And I have also shared the link to join me here in the video description. You can find there. Okay, before showing you those two major resistance level, I would like to show you this Ichimoku cloud on the daily time frame. And I have already told you that this is a big achievement by the price line of pundix, that it has broken out finally this bearish cloud. And you can see that here the cloud was very strong bearish, and now it has turned very strong bullish. And now the price line has also broken out this bearish cloud as well. And I told you that we need few signals or few indications by the Ichimoku cloud to receive the final confirmation for a long-term bull run, especially on the daily time frame. First is that we should receive the conversion and the baseline bull cross. This blue line should cross up the red line that below the candlesticks, and that is the first buying signal, first bullish signal. And the cloud should be turned bullish. That has already turned bullish, we can see. And this lagging span should cross up the candlesticks, the price line. And you can see that the lagging span is already moving above the price line. And finally, after when the price action has crossed up the Ichimoku cloud, the lagging span should also cross up the Ichimoku cloud as well. And now we can see that it is moving at the middle of the cloud, and now soon it can break out this bearish cloud, like the candlesticks have already broken out this bearish cloud as well. And then the candlesticks can travel above this bullish cloud for the long term. Now let me just show you very important two major support resistance levels that the price line was likely to break out today, but could not break out these two resistance levels, and still moving at those resistance levels. It is not a clear rejection. It is possible that it will break out these resistance levels. And the first was this resistance of this broadening formation that I showed you in my previous videos as well. When the price action was moving here, I told you that every time the price line is forming the higher highs, and whenever it is moving at the support, and now it has formed another higher high. And the question is whether the price line after this rejection, for example, in case we will have a rejection by this resistance, it will be moved down to form another lower than the previous low, like it has been doing previously, and it will test the support of this broadening formation. And my opinion in this regard is that it is really very difficult now for the price action to move to this support, this previous support of this broadening formation, because we have a very strong support of $1.3 that has been breaking as a resistance previously, very strong resistance. And before that, even it has been working as a very nice support as well. And then we have the $1, that is a key level support, but that is at the same level where we have the support of this broadening formation. I'm talking about this $1.3. It is very difficult for the price action to break out this $1.3 support, and we will have the support of this bullish cloud as well. And it is you can see that it is almost at $1.3. And right now the price line is testing this conversion line, this blue line, that is the moving average of the Ichimoku cloud as a support. And it is possible that it will be moved up from here, because previously it had been testing here and here as well, this conversion line as a support. And now let's talk about the second resistance that I want to show you. One is this resistance that we have, this the trend line resistance of this broadening formation. Another one is this key level resistance at $1.75. But after this move, today's move, it will be more appropriate to have the support resistance at $1.8. So we have this next resistance, the key level resistance at $1.8, and you can see that previously it has been breaking as a very strong resistance here, and now the price line is again stuck at this resistance. So once the price line will be able to break out this resistance of this broadening formation, you can see that this resistance has been breaking as a strong resistance since after 1st of July, and the price line is again and again and again being rejected by this very strong resistance line. And we also have this $1.8 resistance level at the same time. So we need to keep an eye on this move. For example, if you did not buy the pundix so far, because I was telling you that once the price line will break out this Ichimoku cloud, that can be the right time to buy this pundix. But however, if you did not buy, then it can be the most appropriate time to buy the pundix here after breaking out this resistance line and this the price level resistance of $1.8, because after breaking out these two resistance levels, we can see maximum jumps in the price line. Any minute move to $2.20, then other move will be $3.50, and to the next resistance levels as well. And most probably today the price action is moved back due to Bitcoin pullback, but it is possible that now, for example, if the Bitcoin will keep moving down, the pundix will move against the Bitcoin, because if we watch this Bitcoin dominance chart, then this index was moving in this rising wedge pattern, and here the Bitcoin dominance has been broken down. You can see the price action broke down here, the support of this rising wedge, and then retested the previous resistance as a support, and now it is again moving down. So this is the perfect confirmation for the breakdown, and in this situation we can have a very nice altcoin season, and the pundix can also move against the Bitcoin as well. So it's time to keep an eye on this move of pundix when it will break out $1.8 resistance and this resistance of the broadening formation. Then in my opinion, that can be the right time to enter the pundix. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the video. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And if you would like to support me at the Patreon for more ideas, then I've also shared the link in the video's description to join me here. You can find there. Take care. Goodbye.